Good morning, Aldi.
Good morning.
Where are we at? What's
First time ever I'm driving a Superlabs thing. We're testing whether the Honda is okay after Poznan. And that's it. We're racing the same class.
Yes.
Only race and not race.
Yeah. We can...
We can exchange tips and tricks.
Yes.
Puika gatavojās.
What's happening? Houston, we have a problem. There should be thread and the knot. They are missing.
Pēc 5 minūtēm mums dalībnieku sapulcē.
Tagad mēs zinām, kāpēc bija mīksts pedāls.
Mēs tūlīt bišķi pieregulēsim laikam vēl...
Tur ir nolūzis, ja?
Jā.
Kā tad tas var
Man
gadīties?
liekas, ka es nedaudz čakstu, bet...
Drive old cars.
Tagad nevajag no mani, ja? Es viņu vilku.
Drive old cars have old car problems.
Do you remember the currency? I went to get parts to Mārupe. There was no parts in Mārupe. I came back and found parts 5 minutes from the track.
Where did you find them?
Job Factory.
Place called Job Factory.
Place called Home. The original Home.
20 minutes to start. Janis, you make it?
Depends how much he will pay. I'm not in a hurry right now, you know.
Mental asylum pants.
So you're dressing up, it means you're ready to go?
Yes.
What's up?
Honda is running. Honda is driving. That's a lot. That's a lot for us. That's like a big accomplishment. But yeah. We're good. We're going. Fast.
Tip of the day?
Be fast.
Finish.
Finish. Overtake some cars.
Did your laps?
Yes. Not. Was afraid in some points. But anyhow, I drove 7 seconds than the other guys in the class. But yeah, but you can't. The class is the class. One more races for Superlabs and 100-minute qualifying in like 20 minutes, half an hour. Main event.
Who's driving the 100?
Yeah, so Robert's driving with Dima. Then we have our guests, Volvis and his friend, and then Rihards and Arturs. Arturs, you know from our Latvian episodes last year. So yeah, it's good. It's gonna be fun. There's Shubetskis is driving, so he might win. But yeah, he's like seconds faster than everybody. But anyhow, it's all good.
Race engineer, yes? Popping.
We won the first battle. First to the line in qualifying. That's like in basketball. Whoever wins the tip-off wins. Yeah, we do the similar tactics
morale
here.
Morale game.
Yeah.
Let's go! Quali time!
tur ir esītis?
Esīnīgi otrajā.
Otrajā esītī uz āru vai?
Jā.
Pret valnu, pret sātu?
Nē, pret sātu nē.
Is did a thing?
Me no. I was just driving through wreckage.
Somebody else did.
Yeah.
What happened?
I didn't see, but he hit the balnis.
But other than that, how's the quality?
Yeah. I mean, I got traffic. I got traffic already in the second flying lap, and because some guys just went out when we like 2 laps later, so we get them that overtake and didn't help. But it's still fun. It's all good.
No, Jim. No. The plan is what?
The plan is to finish.
So.
Hello!
Long time no see.
Yeah, we good.
We good. Ready to race?
Ready to rock.
Testing 1 miljons, 2 miljoni, 3 miljoni.
Let's go. 40 cars on the grid. That's crazy. Multi-class race here. Good start for Dima. Perfect.
Nu nē, nu 47.
Tā, pagaid, ir safety cars vai kas? Vēl nav.
Bet iebrauc. Tā bija cita. Nav safety cars. Rescue cars.
Var braukt iekšā boksot, ja vajag.
Jā, bet...
Tas ir rescue cars. Sacīksta netiek neutralizēta, vienkārši lēna mašīna tiek pavadīta baltiņu karotī.
Ne labi, ka tu zini noteikti. Citādāk te būtu kapi.
Yeah. Mid-race, Gornios leading because Shubetskis is in the pit. But anyhow, we are running, let me see, P2 and P3 or P4 and P7. So anyhow, we're doing good. We're doing good. As expected.
Roberts, what's your readiness?
21.5.
Tev būs anekdots?
Tas būs GPRS.
Stāstiņas anekdots.
Kur tā viņš ir?
Kā bija vispār?
Bija ļoti labi. Gāja labi, es diemžēl pazaudēju pogu, nevarēju Robertam atbildēt, viņš bija panikā. Viņš saka, lai es pamāju, lai es pamiršinu, bet pats nevar iziet uz trasu un apskatīties, ka es katru apli viņam miršinu un māju.
Sprint update.
Rihards lost a position to Dagviela. Roberts going strong in second. Shubetsky still leading. No, technically isn't, but it's not net result. And our third car.
Sāk filmēt. Pum, 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 pum.
Nu, izsprādzēta. Izkāpelt.
Atlikušais tev jāvāc pašam.
Esi pirmais, esi pēdējais. If you went first, you're last.
Redz, kā ir jaus. Solis no tavas puses.
Kāds?
Nu, par degvielas taupīšanu.
Jā, iebersies, jā.
Iebersies. Komanda cieši. Teviem lēmumiem. Kopumā labs. Mēs esam apmierināti. Nobildē mūs, jā? Tu bildē? Your comment.
We almost ran out of fuel. We ran out of fuel. Last laps I had to cruise and not to come into box. So. But overall was good. I was always kind of scared of gearbox because it was, for me, it was smelling like gearbox oil all the time, but it was shifting and I mean, it was fun race to go. No crashes, nothing. I mean, easy going. That's it. P2. That was our goal, and that was what was expected. Nothing more, nothing less.
Iespējams, pirmais trīnieks. Esmu ieskauts. Ar otro vietu 3.25 kausā, un tas mums ir iesīts kā Dmitrijs Gorjevs un Roberts Rodēs! Pagājušā gada uzvarētāji šogad otrā vietā, gan 3.25. Vispārēji ir gatavi. Liek, mums vēl komanda atnāk palīgā. Nu kas pats ar aizdu?